Hello and welcome to the SoulLink spawner installation video tutorial for version 1.3.0. I'm going to start from scratch here. For people who are familiar with SoulLink spawner and are wanting to upgrade, first thing you want to do is go to the magicproductions.com website, select Unity Assets, SoulLink spawner, and then you want to click on this SoulLink spawner upgrade guide. I am not going to go through all these notes here. This is something you should read yourself and do what this page suggests before you proceed with an upgrade. If you're just installing to a new project, then you can skip this. You don't even need this. So we'll go to now the installation guide itself, and it does have a note here about upgrading from an earlier version. You do need to remove the SoulLink folder completely before installing this version if you have an existing project, but of course you want to make a backup of everything. The upgrade guide also explains that. And step number 1, we want to install in your new project the Unity AI navigation package, but this is now an optional step. This is only necessary if you're going to be using runtime nav mesh generation for instance, using MapMagick 2's infinite terrains or that sort of thing. But if we do need to do that, this link here will take you to how to do that. Basically, all you need to do is take this Unity AI.navigation, copy that name, go to your project, go to Package Manager, click on this little Add button, say Add Package by Name, and then paste that and click Add. So we are going to go ahead and install it, even though we will not actually be using it in this demo. Alright, so that's now installed. Let's go to the next step. Next step is to install SoulLink Spawner Unity package. So we go back to the Package Manager, go to My Assets, type SoulLink in here, and here we have it. We're going to go ahead and download. And then import. Click import. Alright, go back to our guide. Step 3, we want to check the physics settings to make sure that the ignore raycast is enabled in collision matrix as it shows in this diagram. So we'll go to Edit, Project Settings, we'll dock that, go to Physics, and we look at here, we got ignore raycast, ignore raycast, they are enabled, and it normally will be the case, but if you've got an existing project or some other tools, they may have that disabled, or you may have done it yourself. Optional step 4 is disable static batching. This is only if you're using dynamic nav mesh generation. We go to Project Settings Player, and this is it here, static batching. It's currently on. If I wanted to use runtime nav mesh generation, I'd turn that off, but I'm going to leave it on for my project. Next step, enable integrations. Okay, if you've got already have things installed in your project and you want to integrate with them, such as Sky Systems and so forth, you want to go into the integrations window through Tools, SoulLink Integrations, and just verify that either it's automatically says it's enabled or available here, lit up, or that it's check marked here if it's one that needs to be manually updated. Once you've check marked the ones you want, you can hit apply. One final note, if you do decide to use the AI navigation package for runtime nav mesh generation, you will have to also come in here and check the Unity AI navigation integration and apply. Then next step is to optionally install alternate rendering pipeline demos. If you go into the SoulLink folder, spawner, demo installers, there's HDRP and URP demo installers. If you're using either of those pipelines, you can just double click on that and that'll install those. I will not be doing that in this demo. What it'll basically do is go in and overwrite this demo folder with one suitable for that pipeline. Then your final step would be to go to your AI and set up your AI, and you'll want to look at the integrations document for that before you proceed. And that's all there is to this setup. Thank you for watching.